the following progress of our groundworks. We have completed our guest list and we are already sending out or distributing our invitations to the concerned individuals today. We have almost filled up the seats in the plenary hall. We are just waiting for the names to be plotted in the seats. We have established 3 viewing halls at the Romualdez Hall, having a 290 seating capacity, RBM rooms 7 and 8 with 70, the Venetia Hall with 80 people capacity. Almost all these viewing rooms are filled. The security contingent and their preparations are all in position. May I inform the House lockout dates will be from July 24th, Thursday, until July 27, 2025. The medical teams in the House of Representatives complex, as well as those in strategic areas around it, have been properly coordinated and are ready. Concerning the holding rooms, may I call on DSG Rene De La Torre to give us an update on the holding room assignments. Thank you and good morning to all. Will you give the media